in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of products that I received from the Yakola store on Amazon. And these products are both for those people that are into technology and just have either a desktop setup or a laptop or even just an iPad. Now, I don't personally have a desktop setup, but I'm still going to demonstrate how these products should be used. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you all is this computer keyboard acrylic stand, and basically this is just to make it more comfortable when you're typing. So it does have a memory foam wrist rest, and you just basically sit this on your desktop and go ahead and get started. Everything already comes assembled and it's very easy to set up. If you guys work from home or you just are at your desk pretty often, you know that the desk is one of those spaces that can get very cluttered very fast. And I feel like this product does not like clutter up your space. If anything, it gives you a little more space to work with because you can actually slide things underneath the transparent area. So then you can like free up some space on your desk. Another thing that you can do with this product is just to adjust the height. So the lowest level would be 76 degrees, and that's just it sitting directly on the table. Then when you raise it up one level, that would be 81 degrees. And then at the third and final level, it would be 84 degrees. So you could just adjust it to wherever you feel the most comfortable, and this will just help with long time typing. This product also includes an opening in the back so that if any cables or wires need to hang out, they can. And also there's a slip resistant base so that it won't slide all around the desk. This product is available in 5 different colorways, so click my link in the description box to check it out on Amazon. So this next item is an acrylic vertical laptop stand, and I'm going to be using this personally for my iPad. I don't have a laptop, but if you have a slim laptop, this will be ideal for that. And at night when I want to like charge my iPad or just have it in a certain spot in my home, I can go ahead and put it here and I can always like know where it is. Once again, this product does feature non-slip grips on the base as well as the interior of this product so that your device will be secure. Thank you, Yakola store, for sponsoring this video, and to my viewers, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box.